Everyone, hope you're doing well. Thanks for subscribing and thanks for commenting. I'm getting good responses and I'm feeling very happy. And if you have any doubts, feel free to ask. I'm there to help you out. And see here, now I'm going to explain line size. Okay, this is my data set name is DM here. Okay, I'm writing set is nothing but it is used to copy the existing data set. Okay, SAS help dot heart semicolon run semicolon, then a proc print data is equals to my data set name is DM semicolon run semicolon. So here SAS help dot, you don't know what is it. So you can see this is nothing but my explorer window. Here libraries you can see, so we have 6 libraries in SAS. How many libraries? 6 libraries. You can see maps GFK, maps SAS help, SAS user, work. Mainly we will concentrate on this four, okay, four maps, four libraries in real time. Okay, map, SAS help, work, SAS user. Here this is nothing but SAS help library. In SAS help library I have data set that is nothing but a heart data set. Okay, you can see here heart data set is a large data set. I'll open and I'll show you here. You can see we have total observations. We have 5209 observations here. Okay, now for the explanation I'm using this. So when I run this, you can see here, okay, you can see the output here that we can print till here only. This is one page. From here to here it is one page. We can print only few observations. Okay, and you can see here how many variables we have here. 10 variables, and here some variables are there. I want all the variables in all the columns. Variables are nothing but columns, right? All the columns in one line. So for that purpose I'll use line size. What we will use? Line size. I'll write here options. Okay, line size works for the variables only. Maximum line size is 256. Okay, now I'm running this. You can see all the variables in one line. This is clear. Now I'll talk about the page size. I'm copying the same thing. PS stands for page size. It will work for the observations. You can see here. Wait. Now I'll run and again I'll show you. You can see here, by default we can print 56 observations only. Okay, record count is +4. I have explained you in the notes, right? So you can see this one is 1. You can count here from 1. This is line 1. You think that in a notebook we have lines from the first line. If you count how many lines totally we have, maximum 20 lines we'll have in a notebook. But here by default we can print only 56 lines. Okay, 56 observations we can print. So 1 2 3 4. Record count is 4 here, +4, and 4 plus this all 56. Okay, 4 plus 52 is from here to here it is 52. 4 plus 52 is 56. Okay, now I don't want, okay, these variables here. I want all the observations to be continue. So for that we will use page size. PS stands for page size, and page size works for the observation only. Okay, so just a minute. Yeah, options page size is equals to 32767. Maximum page size is 32767. I'm running this. Now you can see here, I'm scrolling up. You can see all the observations are in one page here, so without any column names in the middle. Okay, I'm scrolling down, you can see clearly. Okay, page size will work like this. Till 32767 we have to use this page size. Got it? Line size works for the variables and page size works for the observations. This you have to keep it in mind. You can see this is my data set name. I have given the variables ID, age, name. Okay, so AD is my data set name. Okay, you can see 5 observations I have given here. Okay, and I have written proc print AD. So I want all my variables to be printed in uppercase. Okay, for that I will use options. Just a minute. For that I will use options valid var name is equal to uppercase. Okay, okay, I have explained you caps will convert all the variables and observations into uppercase. I want only variables in uppercase. For that purpose I'll use this valid var name is equals to uppercase. I'm running this. Now you can see all the variables is displaying in uppercase. Okay,